4739, your battery is low.
Alright, let's go test this new Chameleon, man. Sorry about my hands being a little shaky here. I'm just a little nervous. It's a new build. And I want to just maiden it. I don't even want to, like, fly it, like, hover it and all that shit. I'm just going to maiden it with goggles down. Check it out, guys. I got a new bag. 6S build. It's got the Diatone F722S stack, the new one. That's got the 50 amp BL Heli 32 ESC, and it's got the nice little LED connectors on each end here, which is nice. I put a 1000 milliwatt VTX in here. I've got Crossfire in here, just running a Foxeer Stubby antenna, and I've got some Ethics moon boot motors here. They're the 2407 1739 kV. This is just a test. I want to make sure that this guy flies good today, and I did one of my one-offs and changed it out for a silver nut here, which is kind of cool. Make it unique to me. I do have GPS. I want to install GPS on this, but I want to test this thing first. So far so good. It's been a good process of building. I had a good time building it. It was pretty simple. It's a little tight in there, but it was manageable. As long as it flies.
Telemetry recovered.
As long as it flies, right? We're just gonna send it from right here. Like sketch, right? Arm check. Listen to those props. Ooh, I'm nervous. Ooh, she flies. She does flippies. Let's go down the road, see how she is. I don't have lock on the goggles just yet, which is kind of disconcerting. But she's got plenty of power. A little amp hungry, but not running 6-inch props on here like most of the time are used. There it goes. Now we have lock. Now that I have lock, I feel a little more comfortable flying. It's just clearer. I don't know why. I do know why, but that's just immersion RC for you. Legacy's just not as crispy. Feels good, man. Like, I'm really enjoying this. Little tree out here. It's still here. Nice. Yeah, let's orbit this bitch. Feeling nice, man. I really like this. I haven't done anything with a tune. Haven't done shit, so. As you can see, this is the first flight with it. So if anybody's interested in the quad, it's a good one. I am flying a China Hobby Line 1100 6S pack. It's a 100 seat. Let's bring it in. About a 2-minute flight, 220. I'm pushing it pretty hard there. Yeah, I like it. That's a good build, man. Yeah, it's a good quad. I mean, I actually am pretty impressed. Thanks for watching, and like always, please subscribe, hit the bell below, and let her rip, Tater Chip.